Are you stuck behind a job you hated most? Are you tired when you come home from work and you couldn't play with your kids? Do you hate Mondays, hate boss, and hate your life? Do you want to be financially and geographically free? Do you want to have the lifestyle lifestyle? Do you want to live on your own term and spend time with your loved one? If all of the questions which I asked, the answer is yes, then please stay until the end of this video. I have something very special for you. Hey guys, this is Sharad here from sharadreviews.com. Today I am going to talk about Cash Smash review. As always, I do have a lot of bonuses to be offered, which I am going to talk about in a second. But before that, make sure you smash the like button, click on the bell to receive the notification of all my latest videos on time, subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you want to. Let's first understand what is Cash Smash is all about. So Cash Smash is an ultimate collection of tried and tested money on demand 7 methods that can give you results today. Team have spent thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours figuring out the best system that can put extra money in your bank. Now it's time for you to learn the secret. I'll provide you all the information that is necessary for you to decide whether you should go for this product or not, and in case you will decide to purchase a copy of this product, all you have to do is to click on the link below in the description of this YouTube video. That will take you to my bonus page, and you can click any of the button that will take you to the sales page. Then you can have the copy of this Cash Smash. I have customized a lot of bonuses, and plus vendor has also provided me a lot of bonuses to give it to you guys. I'm going to talk about the vendor bonuses when I'm going to take you to the sales page. Now guys, first I'll take you to my bonuses to show you what bonuses I have customized for you. So here is my bonus page, and you guys can see I have customized a lot of bonuses for you, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. And you can see on the top it says Sharad's Insane Bonus Bundle. I have customized a lot of bonuses for you, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. The product Cash Smash is going to live on 9th of August at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time. And as of that time, all of my bonuses will be active and you have the opportunity to grab all of my bonuses. And I've also put the special attention on the top, which say this special bonus page comes down on August 13th on Friday, and you have the opportunity to grab all of my bonuses until 13th of August. And I have also put the special countdown reminder, and when this hits 0, all of my bonuses will expire, and I really wouldn't want you to miss that. Now guys, let me show you my bonuses. So here are my bonuses, and you guys can see I have customized a lot of bonuses for you, which I am going to talk about in a minute. And there is a special bonus page from vendor as well, which I'll talk when I take you to the sales page. And you can see there are many bonuses which I have customized for you. Now I'll talk about each of my bonuses one by one. So you can see here's my bonus number 1, which says Access 3-in-1 email marketing app. It's a tutorial and it will show you how you can generate money using email marketing. It's absolutely free, which comes along with the purchase of this product. That's my bonus number 1. Now here is my bonus number 2, which says Learn How to Master ClickBank. It's an ebook, it's a tutorial, and it will teach you about everything ClickBank. You can learn A to Z guide of ClickBank. It's a Bible of ClickBank. With this, you will be able to promote product, you can promote others' product, you can put your own product for launching. This tutorial is absolutely free, which comes along with the purchase of this product. That's my bonus number 2. Now here is my bonus number 3. It's Jono's 3 best traffic sources. It's a tutorial, and in this you will get to know about Bing ads, Google ads and solo ads. You will also get to know the tips, tricks and methods how you can use efficiently these 3 ads to get more traffic online. And with this you can increase your sales, you can boost your business. That's absolutely free, which comes along with the purchase of this product. That's my bonus number 3. Now here is bonus number 4. It's Access Goodwill. It's a tutorial and you will be shown the strategy by send traffic using freebies to earn loads of money. That's my bonus number 4, and it's absolutely free, which comes along with the purchase of this product. Now here's the vendor bonus. Vendor has provided me a lot of bonuses to give it to you guys, which comes along with the purchase of this product, absolutely free. I'll talk about vendor bonuses when I take you to the sales page. So these are my customized bonuses and vendor bonuses. Now I take you to the members area to show you the demo. Now here I am into the members area, and you can see this is how the dashboard looks like. And on the top there is a functionality provided which is called support. In case you're stuck with some issues or concern or problem, this support will help you and help you to solve your issues on time. This is a tutorial, and this will teach you all the methods that will help you earn money online. And you can see it's pretty well organized, and on the left you can see there are headings like Welcome to Cash Smash, Method 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Method 6, Method 7. Then there's an upgrade, then there's an exclusive free bonuses. And on the right side, the first one is welcome from Bobby. You will be welcomed on board after purchasing this product. And if I click on any of this red button, further subheading will appear. The first one is welcome from Bobby, then welcome from Adam. And similarly, if I click on method 1, you will see there are ton of tutorials available, and if you click on any of this subheading, corresponding video will be played, and that's definitely helpful because you are going to learn directly from the master itself who has mastered these methods. Now here you can see under method 1 you will get to know about domain flipping welcome. This works, where to find high value domains, even more sellable domains, value my domain, where to sell quick, easiest places to sell. These are all topics comes under method 1. Now if I click on method 2, you will see it will teach you intro to launch jacking, setup for success, getting your link improved, creating your bonuses, creating bonus pages, recording the review, bonus delivery system, launch jacking recap. If I click on method 3, you will see subheadings under method 3 are how to set up Fiverr, shortcut to success, Canva method, gig creation, Fiverr gig final. Similarly for method 4, intro to Quora profile, setup for success, answering on Quora, finding questions to answer, monetizing Quora, Quora recap. Method 5 will teach you intro to product creation, picking the right product, creating the product, sales material, recruiting affiliates, enter the marketplace. Under method 6, you will find intro to online surveys. You will find the top choices which is provided from the purchase of this product itself. Under method 7, you will see intro to reviews, then you will get top choices from them. And under upgrades, you will be provided with an option where you can purchase an upgrades, and that I'll talk to you when I take you the price and upsell section. Under this, you will get 7 additional methods. You will get full Fiverr Rocket course, 1-to-1 masterclass, reseller rights, and under exclusive free bonuses, you will be given $500 from simple YouTube video. You will be taught how you can earn $500 as a passive income. So this is how the dashboard looks like, and I have also attached a demo video on my bonus page. All you have to do is to click on the link below in the description of this YouTube video that will take you to my bonus page. You can hear the demo video and understand how this product works. Now guys, let me take you to the sales page to show you the testimonials, proof and vendor bonuses. So here I am into the sales page, and you guys can see it says pandemic proof cash on demand system that banks us $100 per day the same day. What you have to do, just copy what we do. On the left you will see there is a video, and on the right there are some benefits like the methods that simply work. You don't require any experience or skills needed. It's an up-to-date 2021 methods, and you can tap into unlimited market, and it's easy to follow training, get results on the same day. And if you want to hear this video, all you have to do is to click on the link below in the description of this YouTube video. That will take you to my bonus page, and you can click any of the button, and that will bring you to the sales page, and you can hear this video. I'll scroll down further to see more information on this page. So you can see here is first proof. Someone has earned $25,000 and they have withdrawn $22,000 by just using single method, and there are 7 methods to be followed. Imagine if you learn all the 7 methods, how much you could earn. Now here is some more proof. Someone is earning in 11 minutes $122. And if I scroll down further, and here are some testimonials. You can see Nick is saying, I know you may have bought some rubbish products in the past that made a lot of promises but couldn't deliver. This is not one of those. Just pull the trigger on this one because I was deeply impressed with the $67 in I received on day 1 implementing these methods. That's from Nick, and he's giving 5-star rating. Another testimonial from Bill. It says it's literally so simple that their strategies will show you that making money online can be done so easily when you know what you are doing. Even as a stone cold newbie, this course is gonna work like charm for you. That's another testimonial from Bill. Now here is another testimonial from Max. He says, I highly recommend you pick it up. I really like Cash Smash, and if you want to make $50 or $100 or even more dollars per day without having to set up an entire online business, then grab your copy now. It is filled with complete systems that are ready to go, even for newbies who haven't made a single penny online. That's testimonial from Max. Now I scroll down further. There are ton of information on this page. If you want to hear this out or if you want to read this information on the sales page, you can pause this video or you can read whenever you have time, or you can click on the link below in the description of this YouTube video. That will take you to my bonus page and you can click any of the button that will bring you to the sales page. Please get yourself well versed before buying this product. All the information is provided on the sales page, and you can see here this will work for you even if you want to make extra money from home. You want to make money as soon as possible, even if you are affected financially by the COVID-19, or if you don't want to hand out but want genuine results and you have been living on a budget for too long. You have been looking for that missing to help you make a fortune online. Now I scroll down further to show you more information, and these are the people who are behind the launch of this product. His name is Bobby and he is AJ Dubia, and they have uncovered the top tried and tested method online. And here are some more proofs you can see here, and they say there are literally millions of ways to make money online, and they have tried pretty much everything like drop shipping, e-commerce, Fiverr freelancer, niche websites, affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, SEO specialist, CPA marketing, copywriting, but nothing works. So they have come up with the different methods which will definitely help you earn a lot of money. If you pick up Cash Smash today, you will get exclusive over-the-shoulder training into the secrets of making money online today, which worth $297. You will also get access to the members only private group for extra support, methods and hacks, which worth $197. And you will also get in-depth training into how you can generate 10,000 in 30 days, which worth $197. The next one is you will get support, the Cash Smash support team, which works 24/7 and it worth $97 per month. It's absolutely free, which comes along with the purchase of this product. Now the next one is the knowledge that entire life is about to change, which is priceless, and the total value of all this is $788, and you will get for just $12.95. I'll talk about more price and upsell when I take you to the price and upsell section. Now let me scroll down further to show you more information on this page. So that's all about the sales page. Now I'm sure at the back of your head you might be thinking how much this product costs. So let me take you to the price and upsell section. Now here I'm into the price and upsell section, and you can see there is one front end and 4 OTOs. I'm going to talk about each of them. So first one is front end, is known as Cash Smash, and it worth just $12.95, and with this you will get access to the powerful Cash Smash software, and you will also get access to the training modules. That's front end. The next one is upsell 1, and it is known as Cash Explosion, and it worth $27. And in case you rejected the offer, the same will be worth $4. And with this, Cash Explosion gives you further 7 methods that you can use to supercharge your earnings daily. If you are truly serious about taking your online income to next level, then this is the package for you. Cash Smash is for people looking to make extra cash, to make some extra money. Cash Explosion is for the people looking for double or even triple their monthly wage and replace their 9 to 5 income by working from home. You will also get their Fiverr cheat sheet to Fiverr Stardom and Bobby's own domain flipping cheat sheet. He shows you where to buy domains with an unlimited customer base. That's upsell 1. The next one is upsell 2, and it's known as full Fiverr Rocket course and all OTOs. It worth just $47, and downsell cost $37 in case you rejected the offer. With this, they will show you exactly how to use Fiverr to create a completely new stream of income without doing any of the work. Using Cash Smash to make money online is great, but it can't be easier than make money without doing any of the work. Plus, when you act now, you will also get all the OTOs completely for free. That's upsell 2, and it's worth just $47. The next one is upsell 3, and it's called one-to-one superstar consultation, worth $197, and downsell cost $97. And with this, the creator of Fiverr Rocket has selflessly devoted his time to helping hundreds of people really succeed online. Now they will help you to do the exact same thing with an in-depth consultation to take you through a step-by-step how to use Fiverr to dominate. That's upsell 3. The next one is upsell 4, and it's known as reseller rights, and it worth just $97, and downsell cost $47. And with this, you will have the right to resell this product with commissions on the entire funnel. So that's all about the price and upsell section, and I have also jotted down some of the benefits here. With this, the method is very simple. and you don't require any skills or any technical experience needed here. And it works even in 2021, and you can tap into unlimited markets. Trainings are very easy to follow, and you will get the results from the same day itself. And the best part is 30 days money back guarantee. In case you are not happy with the product, your money will be refunded and no questions will be asked. So that's all about the price and upsell section and the benefits. So that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed the review of Cash Smash. In case you have any question, please drop your question in the comment section of this YouTube video. I'll get back to you as early as possible. So that's all for now. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.